Hi guys, what's up? The Bus channel here, and today we're going to be doing some unboxings. Wow, of a parcel. And wherever it's gone, I'll show you it. I have to find it first though. Oh, you know, fucker. It is for one of the coaches. And it is a windscreen wiper stalk and a hazard and indicator stalk. This is for R5 ONH box 1. And now she does, as you can see, they're both here. Which is pretty cool. I'll be fitting them next Sunday, hopefully. No, my mic don't work on R4, I don't think. I'll fix that at some point. R5 don't even have a mic, so I've got to buy one of them. I'll see if I can find the label. I think it's the label. I don't know where it is. Might be on the floor. I don't know. And also, here we have a Matchbox Leyland, I think, with the seat hanging off. Matchbox. It just says Matchbox London Bus, but it looks like a Leyland. Correct me if I'm wrong. And it's a lacquer or something or other. Front side. That's the advert, lacquer, whatever it is. Back, other side, roof, oh shit. Roof and bottom. This only cost my mum £1. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You know, it's a bit broken. Why would I care? I collect broken ones. Yeah. Let's get it done now. Why did I take a photo? So thank you guys for watching and peace out.